There was an old lady who went to a bank and said to the cashier, "I would like to withdraw $500. The female cashier told her, "I'm sorry, madam. For withdrawals of any amount less than $5,000, you may have to use the ATM actually." When the old lady asked why, the cashier, who was irritated, annoyingly said, "Madam, look, rules are rules, yeah? There's a long queue behind you. Please, let me do my work." The old lady replied, "Then please help me withdraw all the money I have." The cashier was astonished when she checked the account balance. She turned to the old lady, leaned down and said, "My apologies, madam. You have $3.5 billion in your account, and our bank does not have so much cash currently. Could you kindly make an appointment and come again tomorrow, please?" The old lady asked, "Okay, but how much cash can I withdraw now?" The cashier promptly and now respectfully replied, "Any amount up to $300,000. The old lady told the cashier that she wanted to withdraw $300,000 from her account. The cashier did so quickly and handed over the amount to her. Guess what the old lady did? She kept $500 in her bag and returned the balance of $299,500 back to the cashier, asking her to deposit it back into the account, only to leave the cashier astonished and dumbfounded. Isn't it a fact that way too often we end up judging a book by its cover? Many times people around us possess the wealth of deep insights, experience, wisdom, but because of being caught up with the social standards and because of their modest externals, we could easily misjudge and miss out on the opportunity to receive so much. The next time you're around someone, remember, they may possess a wealth that you have no idea about. Stop yourself from judging them, and you may be tremendously benefited by what they have.